Back for day 107. Today we ended up taking a break even. We were very, very, very patient with the executions. We made sure we follow our plan. So overall, happy with the result, even though it took me out for a break even after being up like 1.5 R. Still happy with the result. So let's start off with New York Open. So New York Opens, and at this point, we're here. So we're the 5 minute is bullish. The 5 minute time frame is bullish. The 15 minute technically is also bullish. And you got the 1 hour, which I was waiting for this 1 hour to close above here. So this 1 hour was also at the same time as news. So there was two set of news, one at 2:45 p.m. and then another one at 3 p.m. So decided to just wait for the close and then execute after that. So I was looking for a close above here to confirm that the market structure of the 1 hour would be bullish. Therefore, aligning with the internal market structure of the 4 hour. You got this order block right here, this big order block right here. Then you got this 4 hour for value gap. And then I guess you could call this a 4 hour order block, which we tapped it and then we went up. So during this time, we actually flipped bearish on this 5 minute candle. And you can see like this was a really, really messy candle with the news. We shoot up and then we went down. And during this time, we were just chopping around. So I was just waiting. And I could have just do this, right? But there was this wick above here. So I didn't feel comfortable shorting with that. Also didn't feel comfortable shorting that because we just moved so low from that point of control. And the 1 minute is not looking really, really good. So this right here, I wanted to wait for 5 minute structure to close below. So at this point, this is this candle right here. At one point, we were trading below here. So I wanted to actually see this as forming an order block, then a test, and then we go lower if we were really bearish. And I would want to see like the 15 minute close below here, down here, to confirm my bearish thesis. That said, I kept monitoring the 1 minute and this was just chopping. We ended up closing here. This is the 5 minute close, which flips us back to bullish. So now the 15 minute is bullish at this point. The 1 hour is bullish and has power of free played out. 15 minute also was bullish and possible power free will played out already. So this is like a good close, I would say, above here. So I was expecting us to go here. But if we go here, and if I've put my long here, stop there, this doesn't give me a really good risk reward. So I was waiting for that touch or even the touch in there, which we ended up having. And I was just waiting for the first signs of reversal. Ended up putting my orders here at this inverted fair value gap. Ended up putting my orders here with the stop there and my target above here. Actually, it's slightly lower above here just to make sure I get filled. And then I would take money out if we broke a 1 minute structure on New York highs, which I had marked. These are Tokyo highs right here as well. That said, didn't get filled. We kind of broke structure. I entered here. I've put orders here. So entered here, got filled. My stop was down here. Bit of a tight stop loss, and my TP was there. We ended up having a nice push. I was not really confident on this close above, especially because this 1 minute has no wick. So, and this was, I think, yeah, the start of a new 5 minute candle. So I was keeping in mind that we could still visit this on 5 minute manipulation, but I would be fine if we'd visited, touched it, and then went up. I would be fine with the drawdown. We ended up going straight up. We got some, really, really crazy candles right here. This was really fast. Went up, went down, went up, and then went down again, started chopping around. So at this point, I'm thinking, there's a low here, there's a low here. I want to put my stop at the entry because I don't want to suffer drawdown anymore. So if I suffer drawdown, I think it's likely that we would go for my stop. We ended up not going there, especially because 5 minute is technically still bullish. But I was just expecting a small touch here and then up since we consolidated for for so long down there. So yeah, just decided to take it there, and it's consolidating now. And yeah, ended up being taken out over here, as you can see. Um, yeah, that's my break even day. So hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow.